Welcome to www.super-affiliate-landmine.com. Today's topic, how to set up pay-per-click sites for free and make money. How to earn money using pay-per-clicks, using PPC and earning more profits. I'm going to show you how to set up pay-per-click sites for free and make money. Pay-per-click, or PPC for short, is a type of search engine billboard business. It's one of the most effective means of internet advertising. Forbes magazine states that PPC accounts to $2 billion a year and may reach up to $8 billion by 2008. How PP search engine billboards work. PPC search engines, like other search engines, create a long list of websites. What makes them unique is that the sites are rated and sorted based on a bid amount the site owner is willing to pay for each click of their website. In other words, the rent they will pay for your billboards. Advertisers bid against each other so that they'll receive higher ranking for a certain keyword or group of words. The highest bidder will then have his or her site ranked as number 1, with the second highest bidder as number 2, and so on. How you can make money when you integrate PPC into your affiliate marketing business. You can earn money if you use PPC search engines into your affiliate marketing business. In fact, you can earn much easier if you incorporate PPC. Affiliate programs usually pay the marketer only when a sale is made or when a lead is delivered after a visitor has clicked through your site, and your earnings will only depend on the website's content and traffic. But when you integrate PPC, you'll be making profit based on the click-through your visitors have made on the advertiser's site. This way, you are paid even if you don't make a sale. All you have to do is click on one of the PPC billboards on your site and you make money. PPC search engines are very helpful and resourceful for your website. With it, you can even profit from those visitors that aren't interested in your offerings, the ones that leave your site and never come back. Your site will also earn recognition as a valuable source. Sooner or later, interested visitors to your site will come back to review your offered products. Affiliate programs with PPC will also allow you to make additional revenues. This will happen if a visitor to your site will make a search in the PPC search engine and then clicks on the bidding website listings. That click will cause the advertiser's account to be deducted and will give you a compensation of 30 to 80% of the advertiser's bid amount. Here's how you can get started for free. For example, check out these sites: www.alaskafishingreportblogspot.com or www.myfreeppcblog.blogspot.com. See the Google ads. This is a Blogger account and it's totally free. Just sign up for a free account at blogger.com and start from there. It's easy and they have step-by-step instructions. Plus, you can also have a great opportunity to promote your own site because most programs allow the commissions received to be spent on advertising instantly. Consequently, more visitors that are interested in your offers will visit your site. What happens when you incorporate PPC into your affiliate program? It's easy to integrate PPC into your website. There are tools that are readily available for incorporating them, such as search boxes, banners, text links, and some 404 error pages. Almost all search engines have white label affiliate programs that enable you to paste a code, and then you have a remotely based search engine incorporated into your website. So check out more info on PPC and other ways to earn money online. Super Affiliate Landmine is a video-based tutorial training site to teach you many proven methods to make money online. Has products already produced, ready for you to start selling today, not the monthly pay-forever option most training sites are trying to sell. And right now they're offering a lifetime membership. So check it out at www.super-affiliate-landmine.com.